When you're talking about exterior home maintenance, by far one of the most common things you're going to run into is rotted wood around your entry doors. This one happens to be an above garage bonus area. That's a problem. Today we're going to go ahead and just cut out some jambs and replace one. So I've cut this side and I've cut this side, and it wasn't attached. There's no kind of flashing. So, surprise, surprise. I already cut this, but I'm going to show you what I did. I put the threshold in. I scribed my line here with a pencil, and then cut this flat, and then I just went across the top. And then what I did is I put the block in like this, and then I took my pencil and scribed a line across the top. Then I measured from the line to the cut line on both sides, and then I measured from this top edge down that same distance, squared it up, marked the line, and cut it on my saw. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. I got both sides in. Now I'm going to pull out the threshold and mount each one of them blocks to the ends of the threshold. After I get that mounted, I'm going to paint these cut ends with this. I have my casing sections cut, primed, and I pre-drilled and countersunk these. I put an oversized hole through the casing, but the drill bit that I pre-drilled these with is the size of the screw shank. And now I'm just going to screw these together. And there you go. There's half of it. Little wood filler, caulk, and paint.